Many men worry about their erections. They want to feel confident and strong in the bedroom. It's important to know that struggling to get or keep an erection is common. This is called erectile dysfunction, or ED. Don't be ashamed if you experience this. The good news is that there are many natural ways to boost your erection strength. Sometimes ED happens because of stress or lifestyle choices. Other times it's related to physical health. No matter the cause, there are things you can do to feel more in control. This essay will explore natural methods to support your sexual health. Remember, taking care of your whole self is key. That means focusing on what you eat, how you move, and how you manage stress. Small changes can make a big difference. You already know that a healthy diet is good for your heart, but did you know it also impacts your sexual performance? Filling your plate with the right foods can make a noticeable difference in the bedroom. Start by choosing foods rich in antioxidants. These powerful nutrients protect your blood vessels and improve blood flow, which is essential for strong erections. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables like berries, spinach, and bell peppers. Next, prioritize lean proteins like fish, chicken, and beans. These provide the building blocks for healthy testosterone levels. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice offer energy and fiber, keeping you feeling your best. Don't forget about exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and improving blood circulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, swimming, or biking. Stress is a major buzzkill, especially when it comes to intimacy. When you're constantly tense, your body produces hormones that can interfere with erections. Learning to manage stress is crucial for improving your sexual health. Take time each day to unwind and de-stress. This might involve practicing deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga. Finding an activity that helps you relax and quiet your mind can make a world of difference. Another important aspect of boosting your erection strength is strengthening your pelvic floor muscles. These muscles play a vital role in achieving and maintaining erections. You can strengthen them through simple exercises known as Kegels. To perform Kegels, contract the muscles you would use to stop yourself from urinating. Hold the contraction for a few seconds, then release. Repeat this several times a day. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. While natural methods can be highly effective, it's important to remember that you don't have to navigate this journey alone. If you're struggling with ED, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. A doctor can help determine the underlying cause of your ED and recommend the best course of treatment. This may include lifestyle changes, medication, or other therapies. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. By taking a proactive approach to your sexual health and seeking professional guidance. When needed, you can improve your erection strength and enjoy a fulfilling and satisfying sex life.